Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. In this episode, I'm working on a Bachmann GS 4, a 484 steam locomotive. Check it out. My newest project has arrived from eBay. Let's take a look. What it is, it's a Bachmann steam locomotive 484, and it's the daylight. You see right off the bat, does have a major cracked axle problem here. Is square pegs there, so it's going to be second edition of this, which is good. So those are going to be a lot easier to put back on. I don't know if that's a smoke unit right there, but we're going to find out. It's got a matching cold hand. It's a Southern Pacific. Okay, let's start taking this thing apart. First, remove the two screws that hold the shell on. One in the front and the one in the back. Don't want to lose that washer. This off to the side. That's the smoke unit. Guess this is the light bulb. Next, remove the two screws to remove the chassis underframe. So, pickup wire right here. To remove the chassis underframe, just grip the front and give it a little pull. There goes one split in half. There's the other two. In order to get this off, there's all nuts right here that you could take off. I think I don't want to mess around with it right now. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is for now. I'm going to try something. Now CA is not good, but good luck with this Loctite 401. and a little baking soda. So I'm just going to try it, but I do have brass tubing coming. Put it like a little sleeve around here. Meantime, I'm just going to hold it in place. Without gluing my fingers together. Once the glue is dried a little bit, I'm cleaning the ends of the axle and interior so it can slip on the wheels. Continue the process until each and every gear was repaired. Adding a little extra CA and baking soda to make sure the split is completely sealed. Then I removed the debris inside the axle. Think I got it. I don't know how they're going to hold up because these don't stick with CA. I'm going to try. I checked the alignment of the wheels with the NMRA HO gauge tool. Checking and adjusting, checking and adjusting till I get it right. Making sure everything works. I just have to put it back together. Adding grease to the gear, reinstalling the chassis underframe, and then the shell. Running the train on the test track. Stop the music. What? What's all that noise? I disassembled the drive wheel assembly. As you can see, the split axle repair is still holding. I added goop adhesive, then re-gauged the wheels. Adjusted pilot truck too. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.